Story time with Fergie and friends.
Hello girls and boys and mums and dads, lovely to see you. And it's, yes, story time, Fergie and friends. And hello mums and dads, aunts and uncles, granny, grandpa, and of course all you wonderful children. We have a great day for you today. Reading goggles on, here we go. I love you, little dumpling. That's so sweet. I love you, little dumpling. Connie Wong, illustrated by N. Zara. How fabulous, look at that. My little dumpling, sweet and scrumptious as can be. Yummy, yummy, yum chops. Yes, I'll pick you up and gently hold you close to me. With chopsticks tightly held, I'll never let you slip. Oh, I feel like eating a dumpling, don't you? I'm always there to catch you if you ever trip. Whether soupy, fried, or steamed until perfection, I'll love you forever. You know, I'll be your protection. We are talking about a dumpling. Yes, we are. There's so much that this world is wanting you to find, my little dumpling, I love you. My darling little dumpling, may you always shine. The days are long, but short is every year. How exciting. So let's embrace the time when you are near. I agree. Know this, my darling dumpling, precious little bow. I'll love you for all time, just as I love you now. Yay! Connie, what a beautiful book. Give your little one warm fillings inside as they read through this delicious book. Celebrate the bond between a parent and their special little dumpling while creating an unbelievable bow memories together. Can you also spot the 12 Chinese zodiac animals in every illustration? For my little dumplings, Nathaniel and Charlotte. Well, Connie Wong, I love you, little dumpling, and we love you, Connie, and many love tales.
With Fergie and friends. With Fergie and friends.